chapter number 32. In this chapter, we're going to be learning a fourth type of vowel. Okay, like so far you have learned fatha, kasra, dhamma. In today's lesson, we're going to be talking about a sukoon. And to understand this properly, we have to know a little bit about something else. So, if I were to ask you, what letter is this, Isa, what would you say? What letter is this? The letter A, right? If I were to ask you, what letter is this, you would say it's a letter B. If I were to ask you, what letter is this, you would say letter what, Isa?
P.
P. But then if I were to ask you, what kind of sound this letter P gets, what kind of sound? You would say p, p, p. Okay, you will not say P, because now I'm asking you the sound of the letter, not the letter itself. If I were to ask you what kind of sound the letter B will get you, you would say b, b, right? Just like that in Arabic language, if there is a fatha on a letter, right, you will take out the letter with that particular sign. So la. If there's a kasra, you would say mi. If there is a dhamma, you would say mu. But whenever there is a sukoon on a letter, then you will no longer take out the letter itself. Rather, you would take out the sound of the letter. So, letter meme, this is the letter meme. But what kind of sound the letter meme has? You would say right? Letter sheen, right? This is a letter sheen. But if it has a sukoon on it, you would say it's a shh. That's the sound of the letter. Okay? So now simply is that we have la, ma, lama, right? But then whenever we have a sukoon on a letter, simply we're gonna connect the previous letter with that particular sound. So simply we're gonna connect the previous letter with the sound of that letter. So la, okay, very good. But then what kind of sound the meme has? So connect the la with the sound of meme and you get lam, lam, okay? Na, sha, nasha, right? What's the first letter? Na. What kind of sound the letter sheen has, Brother Isa? Shh, shh. Can you connect these two for me?
Nash.
Nash, na. Take out the fatha. Make sure the harakats are clear. Nash. Good. We have a ra and we have a ha. Raha. Now, we're going to connect the ra with the sound of the letter ha, and that is rah. Rah. Okay? The sound of the lam is l. So connect the a with the l and you get l. Okay? I hope that makes sense to you, inshallah. The letter, this particular example, the sound of this letter is ni, right? With the kasra is ni, and the sound of the ra is But the rule is whenever there is a sukoon on a letter, actually, whenever there is a sukoon on the ra and there is a kasra before that, the ra will be light. So don't say nir, it will be nil. Nil, okay, nil. And last but not the least, this letter is mi. Connect that with the sound of the letter dal, which is d, mid. Allah knows best. Allah knows best. Thank you.